Outgoing President of the National Council of Social Service, Anita, says challenges spanning health, social support, education and employment should no longer be tackled in isolation. After 8 years at the helm, she hopes the sector will continue building more integrated support around people with increasingly complex needs. Chloe Teo with more.
So much.
Anita has been synonymous with the social sector for over 3 decades. From her start as a volunteer legal advisor to eventually chairing several non-profits, taking the helm of the National Council of Social Service in 2018 seemed like a natural progression. Soon after, the role would test her leadership in ways few could have anticipated.
The optimism of the sector, the passion of the sector, and I think it really came through during COVID. One of the strongest things that came through was no one wanted to stop their services. They were so concerned about the people whom they supported.
Social distancing measures meant that agencies had to find new ways to reach vulnerable groups, all with vastly different needs.
A lot of the providers were supporting the elderly. So of course our greatest fear was the isolation. So how do you reach out to them? Therapists who were actually going to the homes or the places to do therapy for people with special needs, with disabilities, and they couldn't. So how do you pivot overnight using your laptop, using Zoom, to show them how to continue being able to do the assessments, the therapeutic assessments and exercises?
Ms. Pham says the pandemic accelerated the sector's adoption of technology, but also exposed gaps in capabilities. That helped shape the refreshed social service sector strategic thrust, a 5-year roadmap launched in 2022 to strengthen agencies, deepen collaboration, and move support beyond individual programs.
We realized that people actually have a basket of very complex needs. So even if you just fix one thing, you're not necessarily fixing the whole basket of challenges that person has. It was shifting everyone from a program-centered approach to a person-centered approach, and realizing that not one charity would be able to do all the work, all the heavy lifting, that it needed a village or an ecosystem. And not only that, it's a realization that it may not just be charities, it might be social enterprises, it might be volunteers, or even businesses for good.
Among Ms. Pham's many contributions to the sector, one of her fondest is this unassuming space tucked into a corner of Scape.
Anita, I understand that Grove was specially chosen for our interview location today. Can you walk us through, what is Grove really, and why did NCSS decide that there was a need for it?
Grove is something very, very special to my heart. It really is a place for the youth. For myself personally and for NCSS, mental health is an area we've been working in because we feel that it's necessary to be able to signpost youth to more services that they need. So here it's a place where they can be triaged and be signposted, not only for themselves, but also for their families, for their peers. Because a lot of times when there is a youth in need, they don't know where to go, their friends don't know where to bring help to them, and especially for their families.
While the space hosts 4 social service agencies, it also doubles as a place to study, spend time with friends, or simply take a break. Since its launch last November, some 13,000 youth have passed through its doors.
The beauty of it is that you don't know who's receiving services and who isn't. Because it's an inviting place, it's a safe place, it's a great hangout joint. So they can come here, have coffee, they can do their work, they can dance. Yet at the same time, some of them actually have more needs than others. So they might be receiving counselling.
For Ms. Pham, Grove's openness represents the accessibility and collaboration she hopes to see more of in the sector, even as she steps down.